repairing your credit post-pandemic. For many Americans, we are seeing high unemployment due to everything that has come upon us, and it's been very difficult for some of us to make our monthly mortgage payments, and this can obviously have a negative impact on your credit score. So what can we do? First, you would want to check with your credit score and get a copy of your credit report. You will see your payment history and what makes up the largest portion of your score. This is where you want to itemize and have a plan. Unfortunately, late payments can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, and you want to try to make your payments on time. Try not to take out new debt while you're trying to repair your credit. It is important to keep your credit utilization ratio as low as possible. So what is this? This is the ratio of how much credit you're using over how much revolving credit you have. A debt consolidation loan is something to consider to help you pay off your existing credit. Do not close your accounts. Even if you've paid off your accounts, you want to keep your accounts active and you make minimal small purchases each month to help with your credit. If you're having difficulty paying your mortgage, you can always reach out to your lender and ask if they will lower your interest rate. The lender does not have to lower your interest rate, but it's a possibility. If you're able to get your interest rate lowered and have additional funds, put a little extra money into each mortgage monthly payment to help pay it off sooner. We specialize in Gladwin, PA 19035, Bryn Mawr, PA 19010, Wayne, PA 19087, Haverford, PA 19041, and Villanova 19085, just to name a few of the mainline towns. We can offer you advice and expertise every step of the way, and we can also help you put in touch with a professional that can help you with your credit. Kimmy Rolph sells the mainline and local areas.